Introducing Confirmation Module by Pocket HRMS.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the confirmation module in the Pocket HRMS. So this is the cloud portal where you can do all the backend settings with regards to the confirmation module. So you just need to click on settings, HR. Under HR, you will be having a confirmation module. Just click on it. This type of page will appear. Here you can choose the confirmation date based on PF date of joining, termination date, date of birth, confirmation date, date of joining. Whatever you want, you can just select it accordingly. Once you select, you can also select manager approval required, yes or no. HR approval required, you can give yes or no. In case if you want the reminder configuration, you can also click on yes and give the frequencies as well. So before how many days the HR or the manager will be receiving the notification on the confirmation. So you can create multiple frequencies for that. Next, probation extension period is there. Here you can give a centric number of days, how many days it should be extended in case if you are extending the probation of the employee. Probation extension letter required, yes or no. If you click on yes, here you can configure the probation extension letter. If you click on no, there's no need to configure anything. Feedback required from employee if rejected. You can give yes or no for that as well. Custom form required, yes or no. If yes, we can also create a custom form for the confirmation module. Confirmation letter required, yes. After giving the yes, you just have to configure it accordingly. So you can do this configuration in the different model, and from here you can just click on the attachment. Approval required at every level. You can give the yes or no here. HR reminder days back. Here you can give before how many days the HR should be getting the reminder. Here you can see share notification with HR about the confirmation extension. If the manager is extending the like confirmation of the employee, the manager will the HR will be receiving the notification in his ESS portal. If you give yes, then click on save. Once you have done this confirmation model setting, we are having the option where you can go and create the confirmation form in your own design. You just click on field creation. Here you are having a like creation of the field where you can create the confirmation form for the HR and manager. You just need to click on add icon, and from here you can select for which module you're giving its confirmation. Here you can give the field name. I'm just going to give manager comments. And here I can select a field type. What is the field type? I can select text, drop down, int, multi-select, checkbox, radio. I'm having multiple options where I can create questions or questions and answers for the manager and the HR with regards to the confirmation model in my own thought, like to see, like in my own requirement. If I click on radio, here I can give the field value. Field value like average, good, very good, excellent. I can give those kind of field value over here in case if I'm selecting radio. I just select text and I can give here the question. What is the manager comment I'm looking for? I just give, how do you think the employee is performing? And here I can give panel name as confirmation order number. Just give this 3 and click on save. Create. So a new question is created in the confirmation module form for the HR and the manager. Now, once these settings are done, I'll just go to the manager's ESS portal. This is the manager's ESS portal. Here the manager just click on confirm. He click on approval. Click on manager approval. Here I'll have the list of my team members whose confirmation is pending. And if I just scroll down here, I can see the previous records of the employees for whom I have approved and rejected. Now let us do for ABC0043 Gautam. I'll just click on manager status. This form will be appeared for me, which we configured now. This is the one radio if you do it, and this is the one if you do it for text. I just give very good. This is the questions which we have created. Excellent. And this is the one which I created now. He is performing very well. And I'm gonna confirm this employee. Once I confirm this employee, the HR should confirm the same employee now. I log in as HR now. The HR will be notified as well. You can see the HR will be notified here. Confirmation approval for the employee Gautam Vanushali. I just click on confirm HR approval. HR approval. Here you can see Gautam. He is the one for whom we approved now. I click on manager status. Here I can go and confirm the same employee. Confirmed. Submit. Now being an employee, even I'll be receiving a notification. Now let us log in as an employee and check. Here the employee will be receiving a notification. The confirmation approved by manager Sandeep Raina. After that, the confirmation is approved by the HR Abhijit Nair as well. I click on confirm, my confirmation. I click on employee confirmation. Here I'll be getting the form like this. So I can also see the which one the the manager's comments also, like what the manager has commented on my confirmation. I can also download the confirmation letter if I just click on this. So now let us go and see another case. What if the employee is being not confirmed or his probation has been extended? We'll again log in as a manager. I click on confirm, approval, manager approval. We'll do it for Hitesh. I click on manager status. I click average. Good. And how do you think the employee is performing? I give not up to the mark. Need more effort. I'm gonna do probation extended. I click on submit. So once I click on submit, the employee will be receiving the agree or disagree form. It means whether the employee is agreeing for the probation extension or not. We'll go and work on that now. If the employee agrees, then it remains same after the probation extension date or period. Again, the manager can go and approve that employee. In case if the employee is rejecting or disagreeing the probation extended, then HR will be taking the final call. And also the employee will be receiving a notification over here that confirmation extended by the manager Sandeep Raina. Click on employee confirmation. Here you can see the probation has been extended. Now the employee is being asked whether he is agreeing or disagreeing for this probation extension. As I told, if I click on agree, it remains the same. After the period of probation extension, the manager will agree. If he clicks on disagree, then what happens? Let us go and see. So the HR will be taking the final call on it. I click on disagree. Enter your comments here. I'll just give my test. And I click on save. Now the HR has to take the final call on it. We'll log in as an HR now. click on login as an HR approval. Even the HR will be also receiving the same extension or extension of confirmation disagree by the employee Hitesh Bhaskar. I click on HR approval. Here Hitesh Bhaskar is there. You can see it's rejected. The status is rejected. If it is approved, it means the manager has approved. If it shows it is rejected, it means that the manager has extended the probation of this particular employee. I click on manager status. Here I can see the reject reason. What is the reason that employee is giving? I have given my best. Here I can see Sandeep Raina's recommendation. He has extended here. I click on confirm now. I give the comment as confirming the employee. And see it again. Reason. I can give remarks. The HR can give the remarks and submit. So here the HR is taking the final call in case of the disagree. So now let us go and check what the employee will be receiving. So the employee will be receiving the notification on the same. You can see confirmation approved by HR Abhijit Nair. For everything, the employees will be receiving the notifications here. Employee confirmation. Here you can see final recommendation is confirmed. So the employee is confirmed now. So this is how the confirmation model works.